Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I lost a $15 account after flipping it to 30 plus profits a few hours ago. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I got a $10 account to 255 in just one night. A lot of you think I don't lose trades, right? So you get disappointed when you give me your $15 account and then I blow it. Well, losing is part of trading, guys. That's one thing I can tell you. Even your favorite forex traders do lose trades. Even these gurus that you see on the internet showing you crazy amounts of money, they do lose trades, guys. Like, damn! Losing is part of forex trading. That's just it. So if you can't take losses, guys, trust me, this industry is not yours. Just find something else to do, right? So another thing is I'm no longer doing giveaways for account management, right? So those of you that want me to flip your small accounts, well, I'm no longer doing that. I just want to focus on teaching right now. Like I said on my Instagram story, to those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, I'll just put the post I posted here so you can see it, right? So I said I want to focus on mentorship. Right now, I just dropped my course. To those of you that don't know, I just dropped the FX B2B strategy course. If you want to have access to it, just make sure you DM me. Right now it's going for a very cheap price, guys, but trust me, it's going to go up as time goes by, so it's better you get it right now. So yeah, right now I just want to focus on mentoring and teaching you guys the skill. I don't want to spoon feed you by just flipping your accounts to huge amounts. No, I want you to learn the art of prediction so you can do it for yourself, right? So yeah, let's get straight into the charts. So what I was seeing here was a rising wage, and a rising wage always falls, guys. That's just a rule. In most cases, the price goes all the way up to the 90% rule, but then these days Derive has a lot of manipulation, so I don't usually hold for that long, guys. I just love to scalp my position. So what I'm anticipating here is price to go all the way down to touch my lower trend line and break it a little bit before it can actually go up, right? So that's what I'm gonna be trading here. So let's just see how everything would turn up. So yeah, guys, after a few minutes of waiting, boom, the trade was in deep profits. So I just had to close my positions and just look for another trade, right? Nice. So yeah, let's go. So shortly after, I found another setup on Jump 10, guys. Like, this was a very good setup. I love trading these setups, guys, no cap. Like, all I had to do here is just put the B2B trend line. So when it broke, I knew to say the market is about to shoot up right now, guys. So I had to like stock a lot of my positions here because I was very confident, right? So I had to check with my other confirmations, and it's sure to say it's about to go up, right? So I'm gonna teach you all this in the course. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, make sure you DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can join the FX B2B Trading Academy, right? So right now I'm about to enter more positions and just let the trade play out because there's really nothing I can do after entering my trades, right? I just have to wait and see how the market plays out. The other thing I was trying to address is a lot of you think I come from money, right? You think I can easily fund 100 USD, 500 USD, 1000 USD, right? Which wasn't always the case, right? Like with me, guys, like the highest I would fund when I was starting forex is 10 USD, right? Unless I decide to actually sacrifice my rental money and my food money, that's when I can fund at least a 50 USD, which I would lose, by the way, because trading with pressure doesn't work, guys. I bet a lot of you can testify. Have you ever funded your last money or just funded money that you're supposed to buy food and expecting to make a lot of money from it, and you just end up blowing in most cases, right? Fund your rentals, you end up blowing, right? So that's what happened to me a lot. Like I would blow every time I would like sacrifice my rental or my food money, I would blow my accounts, right? So I just had to sit down and just come up with a strategy that can actually help me grow my small accounts into manageable accounts, right? That's how I came up with the FX B2B strategy, guys. So yeah, that's the backstory to the FX B2B strategy. So let's continue with the video and see how far we can take this account, right? So yeah guys, after a few minutes of waiting, boom, the trade jumped all the way up and I was up 40 USD in profits.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I just had to close my profits because I was satisfied with the profits, guys. Like when you're growing a small account, it's very much important for you to actually get partial profits, right? Like it actually builds your account to something manageable, right? So I just had to close mine and just look for another trade. So shortly after, I found another setup on Jump 50. I like this setup, so let me just enter my sales and then I'll get to explain to you guys why I'm entering these sales, right? Okay, so let me give you a quick breakdown to why I'm entering these sales, right? So price here has formed a channel, guys, going to the downside, and as you can see, it just touched my upper trend line. So my anticipation is market will go all the way to touch my lower trend line, because firstly it's on a downtrend and then it has created a channel which shows to say it's going down because it has touched my upper trend line, right? So with that basic information, I knew to say this trade is going to fall all the way down. I just had to storm in. As you can see, I want this trade to take me to at least 250 plus profits, right?
Yeah, boy.
Like this is the one. So I just have to like risk a little bit more in order for me to actually obtain what I want. So yeah, let's just wait and see how everything will turn out. So yeah guys, after a few minutes of waiting, boom, the trade showed all the way down and I was up in good profits, guys. So I just had to like capitalize fully on this setup by adding in 2 more positions to this setup, right? This is a very good setup, by the way. I love trading this setup. Those of you that have been watching me for a while, you must have seen this setup because I trade it a lot. So I know for sure to say it's going to go all the way down to touch my lower trend line. So that's why I'm taking advantage of this trade by adding in more positions. So it didn't even take much time. Boom, the trade showed all the way down and I just had to close because I made my profit target, right? Like in the beginning I said I just wanted to make 250 plus USD profits, which I managed to make, right? So I just had to close my position because greediness kills. So yeah guys, if you want to learn from me personally, just make sure you DM me. I have one-to-one classes. Those of you that want to take the same exactly trades that I take, just make sure you DM me. I have a signal group also. So see you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут с Ямала до Волгодонского.